Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your daily steps with Fitbit step by step clearly. To increase your daily steps with Fitbit, start by ensuring your device is properly synced with your smartphone. Open the Fitbit app on your mobile device. Navigate to the dashboard to view your step count and daily goals. Set a realistic daily step goal that challenges you but remains attainable. Consider starting with a goal of 8,000 steps if you are new to tracking your activity. Use the reminders feature in the app to motivate you throughout the day. Activate the hourly step reminder to prompt you to move every hour. Incorporate walking into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Plan short walking breaks during your workday to boost your step count. Opt for walking meetings whenever possible to merge productivity with physical activity. Track your steps consistently to identify patterns and improve your routine. Engage in outdoor activities or join a walking group to make it enjoyable. Consider using Spotify or your favorite podcast to keep you entertained while you walk. Monitor your progress weekly to celebrate milestones and adjust your goals. Use Fitbit challenges to engage with friends and family to stay motivated. Explore different routes in your neighborhood to keep your walks fresh and exciting. Stay hydrated and wear comfortable shoes to enhance your walking experience. Make it a habit to walk after meals to increase your steps significantly. Create a playlist of your favorite upbeat songs to energize your walks. Track your sleep patterns as quality rest can improve your energy levels during the day. Keep a journal of your walking experiences to reflect on your progress over time. Gradually increase your step goal as you build endurance and confidence in your routine. Remember to listen to your body and adjust your walking habits as needed. Incorporate fun activities, like park walks or hiking, to maximize both enjoyment and step count. By consistently following these steps, you'll see a significant increase in your daily steps with Fitbit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.